In the last YouTube Shorts video, we saw what is ChatGPT. Today we will see how to use it. The process is actually very simple. Just visit OpenAI's ChatGPT website. Once you are inside the website, click on Try ChatGPT. Click on Sign Up since it's the first time. You can use your email, Google, or Microsoft account to sign up as well. After that, verify your phone number through an OTP. Congrats! You are now into ChatGPT's interface. Click on the new chat at the top left corner to initiate a conversation. Now you can just type out your questions and prompts. Hope you found this video helpful. If you are looking for a chatbot for your website or industry, sign up through the link given in the description for a superhero chatbot from Communicate. Explore our product and feel free to get back to us if you have any queries. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative videos.